Hi friends, Itech here. Welcome back to our another tech video. In today's video, let's talk about Apple's latest M1 Mini LED iPad Pro and its issues. If you have missed to watch our M1 iPad Pro unboxing video, then you can click the link on the top or in the description below. Yes, Apple announced a mini LED display for 12.9-inch iPad Pro, but the social media is outcrying, calling it a display issue. So what's the problem with iPad Pro's display? Let's find out. So let's talk about LED display. What we see is a global dimming. This simply means that when the display gets brighter or darker, the entire picture is affected, which is why the contrast is very limited and therefore the images doesn't pop. The challenges with the mini LED display were the way before Apple decided to use them, except for being more difficult to design and pricier. Mini LED display can show blooming or ghost effects or so-called halo effect. It is most noticeable in high contrast scenes, which is why pretty much all the photos showcasing the problem are taken in the pitch dark or generally dimly lit environments. What happens is that when some of the tiny LEDs do their best to get the dimmer in order to become as dark as possible, the others try to become as bright as possible. Here is a perfect example. You can clearly notice here the iPad Pro has a blooming effect when viewed on a certain angles. Well, certainly mini LED is still an LED. Apple refused to use OLED for its most premium iPad, and that might have been a mistake. Now for sure our eyes are on the next MacBook Pros Apple is about to release on WWDC. Friends, what do you think about Apple's mini LED display? Do you think Apple should have used OLED? Do let us know your opinions in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a like and share this video. Also, please subscribe to our iTech channel for more tech videos. Stay safe and thank you for watching iTech.